Welcome! Today's video tutorial shows how to find a circular reference in Excel. A circular reference is an error which can completely block your calculations. Once you've watched this tutorial, you'll be able to locate circular references in a spreadsheet and fix them in a quick and easy way. Hello and welcome to EasyClick Academy. My name's Frank, and together with our EasyClick team, we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way thanks to our digestible video tutorials. A circular reference in Excel occurs when a formula refers to its own cell. In other words, the cell is trying to process a calculation using a formula that includes the cell itself. So basically, it uses the result before the calculation's been done. Let's use this simple example to have a closer look at how it works. Column B contains selling price. Column C includes cost per unit, and in column D we can find number of units sold. What we want to come up with is total profit in column E. So we write the formula for total profit in the cell E3. Here comes the equal sign. Then we enter B3 minus C3 in parentheses, followed by an asterisk and E3 to multiply the first part of the formula by the value in the cell E3. But watch out now! The formula contains an error. We've typed in the reference to the cell in which the formula is being written right now, which is E3. Now, Excel is supposed to calculate a value from the cell E3 which has got no result yet. And that leads to an issue. Immediately, when the problem's been detected, Excel shows this error message that states that the formula contains a circular reference. Of course, circular references usually happen with much more complicated calculations. Here, we're using a very simple example for clarity. Once we see this message, we click on OK. And then we have a look at a couple of ways to go through all the occurrences of circular reference in the spreadsheet so that we could fix them. Another place where to check an occurrence of a circular reference in the spreadsheet is all the way down here on the left, where we can also find various statuses and information. If you spot the notification circular references, you'll also see the exact cell where the issues occurred. In our case, E3 is the problem cell. Before we fix this issue, we can check another important location where we can see that there's a problem with circular references in the spreadsheet. We navigate to the Formulas tab, go to Formula Auditing, click on Error Checking, and all the way down here we find Circular References. If there are more instances of circular reference, we'll need to click on each one separately and fix each and every one of them. If the list shows just one error, like we see right now, simply click on the entry and we'll be redirected to the relevant cell. And now, when we know where the problem is, we can try to fix it. We check the entered formula thoroughly, and in our case it's quite obvious. There's an error in the total profit formula. The reference to the cell E3 is wrong, and we need to change that part to D3. Now we just hit Enter, and that's all it takes. The error's gone. The calculation's working as it should. Through this simple way, we can remove circular references in other, even more complicated calculations. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch another video tutorial by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the Easy Clickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.